So, usually, ang gising ko, 3:30 or 3, gising na ako. Then, cold shower, yeah, stretching, push-up, papumping din ako. Then, post. Well, ganun talaga. Tawag dyan, show up.
I want you, we start putting on the screen now. When you look at my Star Wars thread, ding, no such thing as bad press, blah, blah, blah. But finding a way to get attention is a fantastic way to start generating money. Now, what most people do is, you see a lot of people, they find ways to get attention, but they don't monetize it. So for this, I'm going to put in an example of my Star Wars thread. I want you, we're going to start putting it on the screen now. When you look at my Star Wars thread, I said something that pissed off the nerds. You see, I pissed off the nerds. starting to go viral, starting to get traction, and for every single tweet, currency of the modern world. So if you're going to start any kind of business, one thing you need to consider is, we talked earlier about money in, all your money out. This is your only real business, the money in. And how you don't want to be investing any of your money in anything that doesn't lead back to here. You can see that bottom one there. But, you know what's going to lead to this? You know what's going to increase the number of sales coming in? Attention. Attention is key. Attention is going to accelerate everything. So you need to keep that in mind. Don't be afraid to do things that are a little bit crazy to get people to pay attention to you. Now, obviously, I'm not saying join ISIS or something stupid to get attention. Keep it in mind. But attention is the currency. Attention is the magic formula that the catalyst that's going to take any company and blow it up fast. So keep that in mind when you're looking to launch a company or you're already running your company. Does my company get enough attention? No. Okay. So which company in my industry does get attention? This one. How do they get it? Oh, well, they pay for advertising, for example, or they did this viral campaign, or they sponsored this. How are the people taking the attention that you want? How can you get the attention? Find a way. If you have to go and run a marathon dressed as a fucking dinosaur with your company name on the back, then go do it. It's effectively free and it's good for you. Don't be lazy. You have to do something to get some attention. Attention is the key. That's going to be the difference between a failed business and a successful business. Even with the cam girls, who like cosplay and dress up as video game characters, differentiation, anything it takes to get attention. So the cam girl industry is completely an attention industry. You have to find a way to get attention. You have to think about it. So with the cam girls, we did lots and lots of different things. Very small things that made a big difference. Remembered customers' names, remember the names of their pets, paid attention to them, said hello when they came in the room, called them by their first name, so they all felt valued, so they kept coming back, trying to build some loyal followers. Made sure that their thumbnail, when they broadcasted, they had a little thumbnail. So their thumbnail, when they broadcasted, was a really hot one, so it looked good, so people would, oh, that thumbnail is interesting, click on it. Make sure their room was interesting, a few things in the background, da-da-da-da-da. Basic advertising stuff, but it's all the business of getting attention. Don't forget that, super, super important. Right, next, coming on from the cam girl thing, play on people's insecurities. So I made lots of money with cam girls, and in 3 days from the filming of this, I'm opening my first casino. People have vices, and people have insecurities, and if you can find a way to twist them, you're going to make money. People can't help but lose their money in casinos. The house always wins. People like tits and ass, and they're desperate to have a hot girl. That's why I talk to cam girls. So even if you're running a business which is very traditional, let's say you're running clothing, people like to feel good looking and attractive. You have to twist that angle. You have to put something on the angle so that people go, you know what, I want to be attractive. I want to be good looking. I want to be seen as important. That's what all these brands do. When Porsche and Mercedes, they advertise as a businessman. Mr. Businessman, getting in his car, has his briefcase, Mr. Business. He's important. You're not important. You're not a Porsche. You're a nobody. You're a loser. You have to play to people's insecurities. The cam business was the number one for this. Play to people's insecurities and promise with your product that everything's going to be better. So, I'll give you an example. So, with the cam girls, guys would come along. The guys who are talking to the cam girls can't really get girls, obviously, because otherwise they wouldn't be there. So they can't really get girls, but our cam girl would tell them that they could get girls, or that they could get them. So let's say the guy would come along and say, "Oh, so what kind of guys do you like?" Sell people what they want. Play on their insecurities. And he's sitting there going, "Yeah, well, I've been trying to look for a girl like that my whole life, but I just can't find them. Oh, where are you, babe?"
babae, masyado silang marami.
Yeah. Fight. Hey. So nagkakabit kami. Tumutulong ako dito ba? Oo nga eh. And so right now, natapos ng kabitan namin to ng tawag din eh. Oo, ang tawag dito, basayeo. Pero, so baba na.
Down, kaya nag-come up. Sulitin buhay bago pa mag-time's up. Madalas nangingibabaw, hirap na mag-blend in. Mga host waiting sa reply ko, daming pending. 20 naging libo, M pwedeng maging B. Yoko maging U, kahit na mahirap maging mini. I'm the shit who you never heard. Turns lang malakas, lahat second tsaka third. Dalawang daliri, may ginto sa pinky. Champion parang paman, pero dalawang chinky. Kapag daw ng aking women, aangat ang cash flow. Ako ano na ba, rappers di pwedeng maghalo. Kasi mga whack shit, di ako dun lumapit. Kung di mo ko matalo, sa akin ka.
Senses being mesmerized by the aromatic hops of San Miguel Superdry, or indulging your distinct taste, refined by a full.
Di lang makakaintindi ng aming code. Pag tropa ay nasa road, kala mo ay Tokyo Drift. Pera hindi natutulog 24 hours yung shift. Paggising ko exercise, almusal, tas hustling na. Tatlong baby cake sa bahay at pwedeng maging 5. Lahat sila making money, walang prinsesita shit. Kala mo for content lang, tanga mo ito'y legit. Sa'yo lang yan, imposible ibahin. Nang pumunta pa, kung di naman lang may kikita, puta para sa pa. All I do is win, wala ka nang magagawa. Kahit anong gawin nila, cash continue minibis. Patong-patong parang bagels, di magiging popular. Kasama ko na agad yung sabi mo na hard to get. Basta di rich, may pumunta, hindi lang rinig mo yung mga.
Champagne at cigars. Champagne.
It's ko ay deep, masama ang wolf lagi sa mata ng mga sheep. Let them hate, yaan mo, normal sa tulad kong star. Celebrate, order ka ngayon ng champagne at cigar.
Champagne at cigars. Champagne.
So, nakaka-isang set pa lang ako ng drills, I think. Drills ng mga pang legs, and for agility and speed. Good thing na natuklasan ko yung pag-build ng system. Bit by bit, doon ko nakita na once you have that deadline and you focus on your mind, focus on your body, focus on your soul, pieces by pieces, at first, hindi siya talaga maiintindihan. Pero the more you connect yourself sa sarili mo, sa inner self mo, lalabas ngayon yung call that thing. Hindi siya pang suppress or pang neglect ng emotion mo, which is yun yung pang address pala. Yun. That's what we call you're addressing your emotion. The more you understand yourself, the more you know how to handle your emotion. Hindi ka basta-basta mag-react sa paligid mo. Okay? Bakit? Everything around you don't have that kind of system. Okay? Once you open that lens, hindi mo na siya mareredo or undo. You can't go back. Okay? Become committed to yourself. I-handle mo lahat. Everything is just like a game. Okay? Pag yung pagod, there's no such thing as pagod. Yung search mo kung ano talaga yung meaning ng passion. Passion is something Greek word of suffering. Okay? And kung passionate ka sa sarili mo, passionate ka gumawa ng something new, forward perspective, gumawa ng money, everything has a equivalent sacrifice or price. Okay? Supply and demand. Pwede mong gamitin pa din ang supply and demand. Kaya nga, kailangan pumasok. Ngayon, para siyang ladder. May top. Okay. Sa below, 100% to 80% to become an average 75, let's say 75. In order to you to climb up to the top 1 or top 0.0001%, kailangan mong hindi maging kaparehas ng mga human beings. That's the key point about that. Okay? Know your brand becomes something that unique na hindi ginagawa ng normal na tao. Okay? Become committed to yourself, pursue yourself, and all falls down into places. Okay? God's watching. Okay? I-reward niya talaga ako sino yung nagsasabing pagod or something. Ginawa ko talaga yung best ko. When was the last time you actually try your best? Do you really try your best? Okay? Or sinabi mo lang na, wala na eh. Ngayon ginawa ko talaga yung best ko eh. Just a bullshit, okay? Compete with yourself every single day. Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to your yesterday, okay? The more na natatalo mo yung kahapon mo, doon ka nag-level up. Hindi sa pang-compare sa iba, okay? Iba kang path. By journey mo, by timeline mo. That's what we call one-person business. Build your mind, build your system, build your body. Okay? Build your soul. You have your own creativity. Magaling ang babae sa intuition. So, gamitin mo the intuition mo, yung gut mo, yung instinct mo. Lahat yan ang gagaling sa, if I'm not mistaken, into your, what type of gland is that? Pipit, basta yung gland na yun sa utak natin. Pineal. Yeah. That pineal gland. Yeah. Tama ba ako? Pineal yun yung alam ko. Pineal gland. Oh yeah. I-develop mo of looking toward your greatest or your fullest potential self. Okay? Portray mo siya. Bago ka maging milyonaryo. Okay. Let's say, before you become an athlete, dapat mag-isip ka muna o maging utak athlete ka. Bago ka maging milyonaryo, kailangan utak milyonaryo ka muna. Laruin mo lahat ng nasa paligid mo. Okay? Laruin mo lang. Ikaw ang mag-create ng sarili mong creativity. Sarili mong whole world perspective. Okay? Just believe in yourself. The more na nagiging delusional ka, yung delusional na state mo, yung hungerness mo, yan ang gamitin mong pinaka fuel or energy mo in order to you to step up each and every single day na binibigay sa iyo ni God. Okay? That's it. The joints.